Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with the trade of the day from the Grok Day Trading Chat Room brought to you by Grok Trade. Hey, before we get into the trade this morning, we're going to take a look here at a webinar. We're having two webinars live and there's some other replay times, but Thursday night, that's tomorrow night if you're watching this on Wednesday, that will be at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, or on Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. What's it going to be about? It's going to be how to win at day trading without buying all the expensive education. It may take you years to learn. That's right. We're going to learn three huge secrets that every day trader should know here. So here's a couple of guys that now know it, and they're making money there. That's right. So more about that at the end of this video. So let's talk about this trade that we had this morning on TVIX. Now that's a leveraged ETF on the VIX index. It's actually on the futures of the VIX index, which is the fear factor. When the market's going down, the fear goes up, so does the VIX, and then this one does as well. And the markets opened up today on the Dow, and then it started to proceed to fall, and it was falling, and as it was falling, the VIX was going up, or the TVIX here. As I was trading it, we did two trades. First trade, we made a 0.5% here as it broke out, and then as it snapped back right here, we stopped out for about a 0.5%. And then in another trade here, we got in as it did a bull pullback here, and then look at that, kabam, just slammed down there and stopped me out for minus 0.4%. So I'm going to talk about the third trade that I had on TVIX here, and it was now forming in a symmetrical triangle. Want to know more about that? Go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the free chart school, look at symmetrical triangle. It was, narrowing right here, pinching like a coiled spring, ready to blow up either up or down, and so I set a trade just above that area, and sure enough, in the next candle, boom, there it went, just above the $47 amount, and it got me in at $46.92. But it went above $47 even dollar and then pulled back, and then the next candle went pulled back, and then it started to take off. Here we go, boom, 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 boom. So now I'm going to bring my stop up here, and I'm going to put it just in the money here, just above $47 here. Now I'm slightly in the money as this is starting to take off, and look at the volume increase. I love it when that happens. So there it goes. Now it's moving on up. And by the way, now the market is falling. It's just after 11 o'clock, and the market starts to fall and fall hard to new lows of day. The Dow was originally up over 120 points, and now it was down almost 200 points at this point. And the fear is going boom, 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 boom. And so I'm moving my stop up here, and now I'm going to move it up here along this 8 EMA because it is really overextended, just below the $48. Look at it, it's up here at the approaching $49. Just above the $49, here is the R1 pivot line, and it tagged it right there. So I went ahead and I set up a half an order, and I'm sitting here, boy, if it does not break that, I better get out half. And so I went ahead and I put my order there, and there we go, and it tagged it a second time and then pulled back down. So I went ahead and I took out half here at 48.78 for 4% on the first half. Then at this time, this 8 EMA was going right up here. I just put my stop here right where the 8 EMA was, again trying to recreate this after the fact. The 8 EMA was sticking up like that. I put my stop there on the second half right there, and then what happened? Kabam, look at that. It went up and tagged it a third time and then just fell. This is over 1% fall, and then another 1% fall. So it went from $49 to $48 in just 2 minutes. Stopped me out on the second half at 48.45 for 3.3% on the second half. So let's take a look at this trade. It was a symmetrical triangle. When it broke out to the upside, I got in because the odds were in my favor. It did pull back, and then it did started to take off. Moving my stop along this 8 EMAs, we went, and as soon as it hit a major line of resistance, the $49 and the R1 pivot line, and it tagged it the second time, I took out half. It then went up and tagged it a third time, and then proceeded to drop below the 8 EMA. As the 8 EMA was up there, stopped me out. So this total trade was for 3.6% in 17 minutes. Wow. So let's get back to that webinar here. If you'd like to attend that webinar, again, Thursday night here at 7 o'clock on the 25th, we're going to be doing the webinar. And here's how you can register in two different ways. First, you can go to groktrade.com. That's groktrade.com, and then go to the day trading chat room right there, and it says register now. You hit register now. Let's see what happens. Boom, there it is. How to win at day trading. Here's good old D7, aka Des. Without buying those expensive things. Now just hit register now, and you'll get several opportunities to sign up. So you can sign up for we're going to be doing it live Thursday night at on the 25th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Also on Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. That's the 27th. There are other times it will actually be replaying it, and again, it's a free webinar. Feel free to join us whenever it's convenient for you. You can also go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. That's freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and it shows you 3 different webinars you can take here. We're talking about the how to win a day trading one, the one in the middle, and when you hit that, this is another place for sign me up right here. You can sign up for those specific times and dates that are going to work for you. Again, 3 huge secrets that you need to know if you're going to be a day trader. Hey, there may also be a very super special price for you to join us in the Grok Day Trading chat room. 7 days, risk-free. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that in day trading, we can make money when the market goes up or if the market goes down. It's just boring when the market goes sideways. Trade well, and may your winners run.